I'm about to change the motor oil on my 2016 Honda Rancher, and I've been using this winter the fully synthetic Honda HP4S, and I love it. It's great. I've got a new Honda oil filter, and now moving into the warm months, I'm going to try this stuff out, the regular Honda GN4 10W40. And I'm warming it up right now because you're supposed to do that before you change the oil in it. And I want to show you how many miles I've put on this HP4S synthetic motor oil. Okay, I have gone 819 miles on this last oil change. It recommends 600, I went 819. And I've still got 15 hours till I hit the recommended 100. And so now I am going to change it before it gets dark on me to the 10W40 GN4. And also wanted to get a recording of how it sounds after 819 miles on that oil change. Alright, let's get her done. So I have to say, draining this stuff out, the motor oil out of it that's been in there for 819 miles, it still was surprisingly clear. I thought it would be darker. Again, this is the full synthetic HP4S Honda motor oil. Okay, I just finished changing the oil. It takes 3.8 quarts, and I'm going to be running this stuff for the next 600 miles. And put in the new oil filter right there. Got it all cleaned up. Added the new oil right there, and let's see how it sounds. Sounds great. My Rancher. Let's see how many miles we're at now. We are at 2,181 miles.